Well, hello. Today I'm making another recipe from my McCalls Great American Recipe card collection. I'm making this, curried meatballs. I love curry. I love meatballs. And this contains a secret ingredient, fruit cocktail. Let's try it. Let's start by baking the sauce. I'm going to have half a chopped onion inside and cook it with a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 chopped apple. I used Granny Smith. 4 teaspoons of curry powder. That's a lot of shaking. A teaspoon of ginger and a little black pepper. I'll be cooking this until the onion is nice and tender. Remove from heat temporarily and stir in 1/4 cup of flour until nice and smooth. Now stir in a can of fruit cocktail with the juice 100% and a can of chicken broth. Add a splash of lemon juice and bring that to a boil. I've cooked some store-bought frozen meatballs that I just browned in the oven. And now I just add those to the sauce. Mix them in there. Cook on low and cover them and let them cook for 10 minutes. In those 10 minutes, I cooked some jasmine rice in the microwave in the leftover chicken broth I had. I just love this Christmas gift I got. So easy! Curried meatballs. Doesn't look too bad. This is kind of exciting. I love the fruit cocktail and an apple in it. It's gotta be great. It is. Love that curry flavor, and the fruit adds to it perfectly. I'm reading a book about fantastic underground rooms. It's a bestseller.